I'm Adrian with Physical Graffiti, Sedona, Arizona. This is
Hi,
Masako.
Masako and our dog
Chopper.
Chopper と Masako Adrian です。
And today we're going to work on making a leather pillion. And it's just another component for the rear fender of the motorcycle build. And we need to do that so we can get everything sort of mocked up. So we know how to, everything has to be welded into place. And it's just like we have a complete tail light. I know where we're going to need to drill holes to mount that. We're also going to have to get the pillion in place so we know where to mount that and get everything welded into place.
そう、ピリオンっていうのが、バックシート、私がちょうど座るところですね。それを革でこれから作りたいと思いますっていうのと、あとテールライトをここにセッティングします。
Yeah. So this is the driver's seat pan, and we're going to also make a leather. We're going to hand tool leather for this too. We got to figure out how that's going to be mounted, but I got to get the fender done first. So.
そう、フェンダーを最初にやるそうです。その後に
Just one more
シートを
component.
やります。
Yeah.
Did you weld? No?
No. I'm actually going to cut these bolts off and then reattach different bolts, but it's all part of it.
Okay. Yeah.
So we'll try to keep it short.
短くするので見てください。
Hopefully you can stay to the end.
Okay. とても暑いです。It's very hot here, Arizona. Yeah. Maybe over 90.
Yeah, it's over 90 degrees.
90
Yeah.
degrees.
It's okay.
30度超えてます。汗はかきません。では。
Kind of give you a preview of what we're working on. What we have here is we have our seat pan. This is for a pillion over the back fender. Wanted to get the rear seat made. I know they have those detachable pillion pads you can buy over at the, over at the J&P Cycle or many other places. They sell them all over there, and they're really inexpensive. But this is going to be custom for the bike. And I'm going to make the pillion and the seat match. And so this is a seat pan for the driver, and this is a seat pan basically for the passenger. And so we have that, and basically I'm gonna mold the leather around this pan. And to help me do that, I've made a template to help mold the leather. I made the template out of wood, and so what we're going to do is we're going to get the leather in here, and this template is going to help us mold the leather. We'll get the leather in there, we'll mold it down into there. We're going to press it in with some C-clamps. and C-clamp this on here like this. You C-clamp that on there, down nice and tight. And then what you'll come up with, hopefully, if my idea works, is a nice little bowl. Nice little leather bowl to put the padding in. And then we'll be able to turn it over. And we'll be able to hand tool that leather. I like to use nice thick, like 10-ounce leather. And it's not traditional. Probably lighter leather would even hold up better, but I just want to do that just because it's different and you can really do some nice tooling with it. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully you stay tuned and we'll go from there. Yeah, perfect.
That's good. Okay, you're very welcome.
You see?
I can see that.
See, I couldn't figure it out by doing it this way.
Uh-huh.
I wanted to make it even. So then I can make it even by doing it the other way. See, now I have to get all these holes in here too. Make sense?
Makes sense. Hello.
Hey.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm tooling leather
Oh, for
for your pillion.
Pillion.
Back seat.
Back seat. 1 second. The chopper boy. Chopper is here. Okay, I can pick him up. Ready, go.
You want to see what we got going here? Huh?
Yeah, I want to see it.
So far, so good.
Oh, it's so cool. Can I close by?
So I have to, yeah. So what I have to do next is that I have to stain it. Leather stain it. So.
Get poked in Sedona.
In Sedona.
Mama.
Instead of mom.
Okay, mom.
Instead of mom, it's mama.
It's kind of symbol for the like a bike.
Biker mama.
Biker mama.
That's right.
Oh, it's so cool.
Gosh, yeah.
Oh.
It's kind of an old school tattoo design.
Okay, I
That's
see.
gonna be cool. It's gonna go along the
This
back.
is the back side of it. Look like a my seat, right?
Yeah, so you're the passenger seat.
Passenger seat.
Yeah, because it's gonna go on the
This
rear
is
fender.
my seat.
That's your seat.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Huh.
100%.
Wow. Is this leather?
It's all leather. Yeah.
Wow.
11-ounce leather, so it's really thick.
Uh-huh.
Probably lasts forever.
And you just making a design and
Yeah.
do everything?
Yeah.
From scratch, everything?
Yeah. I just drew up the design and then transferred it over to here, and then now I'm just tooling it into leather so it's permanent. Then I got to stain it, really carefully stain it, so it looks really nice.
Oh, are you going to finish tonight?
Well, just this part.
Okay.
Almost done tooling it, and then I'll come in and maybe tomorrow night I'll stain it.
Okay, so excited.
I know.
Okay.
Then I can sew it together.
Okay.
It's a long process.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know.
Get it all
Okay.
sewn up. And I have to paint. I have to paint the pan too, so I got to paint this too. So.
What kind of color?
Well,
black?
you won't see it, but I'm going to paint it black so it doesn't rust.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. And here's the padding for it. Goes inside.
Oh. So little cushion.
Yeah, it's got cushion inside of
nice.
it. Yeah.
Oh, so cool. Cannot wait to see everything. Okay.
I know.
Okay. Okay,
One step
keep
at a
doing. Okay. So, okay.
Yeah. A few hours later, now we're going to work on staining this and stamping it. Got to put our logo or signature on it, so I'm going to do that next. See what happens.